Alright everybody, welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. And today we are going to make some red beans and rice. Yep, Chunky, that is not for you. So I have 2 pounds of pork sausage and 1 pound of andouille sausage. And I have some smoked neck bones, some pork neck bones. And then we have our bell pepper, celery, and an onion. And I'm going to get all this chopped up and ready to go in the pan. Alright, put my 9-quart cast iron pot on medium. Put about a half a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to let that heat up. It's 50 degrees out and I have the windows open. It feels so good and the sun is shining. It's just awesome outside. That snow is melting fast. While my pot is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my veggies. Chunky's looking at me like, who are you talking to? I put my sausage in and I'll let it cook for about 30 minutes, I guess. Get some of this fat off. Take these out and then throw my veggies in and let them cook a little while. I'm just using the sausage fat. Not adding any grease or oil. And like I said, I do not soak my beans overnight, but I do wash them. Just go through and make sure they don't have any little rocks or dirt pieces or anything that they miss. And yes, I'm being lazy in my PJs again this weekend. Alright, they're ready to go. I've let this cook for about maybe 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add 6 cups of water. That's 4. That's 6. I'm also going to add my beans back. My sausage. It's going to be 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1.5 of onion powder. A half a teaspoon of oregano. One and a half teaspoons of Creole seasoning. My bay leaves are crunched up. Let's do 3 bay leaves. Oh goodness, don't. Some black pepper. And just do salt and pepper to taste. And then bring this to a boil. We'll have to put more water in it, but for now this is good. Also put about 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, or minced garlic rather. Alrighty, I'm going to put in the smoked neck bones. I'm also going to add 2 more cups of water. Put the lid on. Let it get cooking.
Melissa said for me to stir her beans. Man, this looks so good.
Alright, it's done. I want this to thicken up just a little bit though, so I'm gonna leave the lid cracked just a little. And then we'll finish cooking the rice. Okay everybody, the red beans and rice are done. And I let those cook probably about 2.5 to 3 hours. I tasted the beans, and once they were done I just took the lid off and let them thicken up a little bit.
Alright, let's give this a try. You always make really good red beans and rice though.
It's going to be really, really hot.
Very, very good, baby. Very good.
Yay! Well, there you have it. Taste Tester Joe approves. It's got the Joe stamp. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Please subscribe, share, and comment down below if you make this and like it. Thanks.